Are you experiencing problems with your water heater? Unsure of who to call for help? In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding the right professional to fix your water heater issues. The first step is to identify the problem with your water heater. Is it not producing hot water? Is there a leak or strange noises coming from it? Understanding the issue will help you communicate it better to the professional you'll contact. Next, you need to research local professionals who specialize in water heater repairs. Look for licensed and experienced professionals in your area. Read reviews and gather information to ensure you choose a reliable and trusted service provider. When it comes to repairing your water heater, it's always a good idea to get multiple quotes. Contact the professionals you found during your research and request quotes for the repair work. By comparing prices and services, you can make an informed decision. Now that you have gathered enough information and obtained quotes, it's time to make the call. Reach out to the professional you feel most confident about and explain the issue with your water heater. They will guide you on the next steps and schedule a visit if necessary. In conclusion, when you need to fix your water heater, it's important to do your research and contact reliable professionals. By identifying the issue, researching local experts, getting multiple quotes, and making an informed decision, you'll be on your way to having your water heater fixed in no time.